YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we are doing today? We're there with none other than, yes, man, we're there with the genocide boss, the crux himself. You see me? I say we're there with none other than Masicka and Dunw3ll, the one named Cabra. Cabra. You see me? I say I think that's Spanish for go, right? I think this should be Cabra, innit? Because Cabra is a girl. Anyway, we're going to check it out and see what going on. Masicka and Dunw3ll, Cabra. Been a minute since we reacted to Masicka. I think the last shit we reacted to was Autocrat, which was a banger. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to Masicka. You're definitely one of the best in that game for sure. You see me? I said no joke. But yeah, man, we're not going to very much longer. Masicka, Dunw3ll, Cabra. Let's get it. Oh, his grandfather? Oh, I know grandfather. Who this? Blood clot. Masicka. Oh, blood cleat. What is that? Catalog, you got king. I wish. Tyrant. Blood clot. I'm going to call it king and flow them.
Dunw3ll. It's one side genocide, papi.
Bombokla, one side genocide, papi. Mama, go on with yourself.
Hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. Real killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT.
Ooh, hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. Ask about me. Me are the goat to this reaction thing, this YouTube thing, this update. Ask about Jambisco dang. Hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. I want to like Cabra around here.
I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. Hey, mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns are out. She want it.
Yeah, man, them call me the GOAT. Hey, mommy, me put the car in a spout. Y'all take it.
In a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey, mommy, them call me the GOAT. Hey, mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns are out.
Y'all tick like a blood cleat cold porridge in that fridge. Go
She want it enough. Oh, you're eating with the same flow. Hot from me, your ball and wicked with the _𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Fishing with the
the reason why he dropped this song is because everybody keeps saying he has the same flow. This is why that's why he had the stuff in the beginning. Where where you see Marco the different thing them with different and the song does sound different. Y'all cannot lie about this. So y'all can't say he come with the same flow this time. Go on true. So this is why he made this to prove a point. Big up Masicka. Masicka made this to prove a point. Nigga, I can switch the flows up. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all talking about same flow and key dance and sitting. What I'm gonna know? What you?
Bad bitch, all guns are bound. She want it enough. Oh, you're eating with the same flow. Hot from me, your ball and wicked with the _𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Fishing with the
Boy, wicked with the same flow, but from here, see it there?
with the same flow. Hot from me, your ball and wicked with the _𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Fishing with the blicking, no lipping, not a stay low. Wonder what them sipping them.
Pitch him with the blicking, no lipping, they want to stay low. See, man, I switch up a flow pound now. I'm told.
Your ball and wicked with the _𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Fishing with the blicking, no lipping, not a stay low. Wonder what them sipping them tricky, will make the key a blow. Bad on every stage show, girl from everywhere, bro. Fuck vanity, you're dead for touch your chain door. Head will bust no aim low, and let it bust no play door. Croc will set him up and wet him up all rain no.
Boy, Crocs, we wet him up and set him up all rain no. Bombo click, watch out.
In your grains are insane, bro. Me be sitting on your ears,
oh,
and watch your brain blow. Pussy them in our place, nobody knows see if shoot my gun in our face, bro.
Hey,
hey mommy,
now your place, boy, nobody no see mama ya come so cool.
Nobody knows see if shoot my gun in our face, bro. Hey mommy, them call me the GOAT. Real killer, I put three in a chout. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking
about. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. Ooh, wait, is that the mad sus this everybody talking about? Say man is sleep in a couch.
Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in a couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about. Hey mommy, them call me the GOAT. Hey mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns are bound. She want it.
Yeah man, man. That is it, man. I'm to know. Don't take it thing.
More no bad like sicker. You want die liquor. The friend of my boss at the ganja chicken. Gonna live up every
Boy,
man.
no bad like Sika. Masicka, that time, that abbreviate him name Sika.
Bad like sicker. You want die liquor. The friend of my boss at the ganja chicken. Gonna live up every man. I finger and down with ya.
Friend of my boss, my out of ganja chicken. Go use
I live up
yourself.
every man. I finger and down with ya. Anywhere you get it from, man, target us. So me empty the clip and not one now miss you. Somebody got miss you, cause why you not listen? Start them up, show them mass, the man, glance them from me, not the class. Some man go my issue. Walk you with the pan out and road boy run like tea. Them know I'm strong and I sitting. I'm posted there at least at the boom in the street. Hey, mommy. Them call me the coach. Real killer, I put three in a choke. Man of the yard, I'm in a sleep in the couch. We run it down, what I'm speaking about.
We run it down, what you speaking about. What my chat say? Eh? All this lipping and we on the town. I want to chat say. On the top, on the chat fox, man. I want to go. Ah, Masicka.
Mommy, them call me the coach. Hey, mommy, we put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bout. She want it in her mouth. Well, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan ready. Yeah, bust up her.
When I wake and I'm ready. Bomba. When my try say I'm ready for the war. Yeah, I hoping I'm ready for the war. Wait, I invite war.
Well, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan ready. Yeah, bust up her kills, I can berry. Bust, puff up the grapes, it done merry. Brown and pretty like that, the alley baby. Should be top under your chin, a shot a running on your jelly. Yeah, well, I
Going pretty like Halle Berry. Push.
pretty like that, the alley baby. Should be top under your chin, a shot a running on your jelly. Yeah, well, I wait and I'm ready. Yeah, fuck up her face, the pan ready.
Cabra. Man say, oh, man, I said that's another one thing file. Different flows. 1, 2 unos. Talk about me sing the same thing and the same thing over and over again. Eh? I talk about me have the same style, the same pattern, the same cadence. I want him to know. He made that to make a point. He made that shit to make a point. No cap, gang. No cap. Alright. But gang, let me know anything about it in the comment section. If you like it, show that to some love and support. Make him know and say, yo, Jambisco and something. Also, drop your comments, drop your requests to get your shout out, all that good stuff. We're back and fully active. You don't know, we now play with the road, gang. You see me? Appreciate the love. We're growing strong over here. Look out for the updates as well. You already know, gang. I'm out.